Created by my guide. How to add a new task under Opportunities in Salesforce Lightning. Welcome. In this guide we will learn how to add new task under Opportunity. Click on Opportunities. Select Opportunity from the below list. Click on Activity. Click on New Task. Click on Add. Select Task Subject. Select Due Date. Select Contact. If you do not have an account, create one to continue this guide. Select Stage. Click on Save. Here is your task created. Thank you. Created by my guide. Publish free videos via my guide. Just Google my guide.